guys, 4:33 in the morning. Let's do a little what's in my tool belt for the end of June. So starting out, we got my long screwdriver right here, if this will focus. My little cabinet tip screwdriver, 1/4 inch. Then I got my multi insulated screwdriver. Sorry, I think it's a little early to be thinking this hard. Got my Klein Tools strippers, limited edition flag. I think someone's coming in here right now. Got my Macmillan UK support. Got my Milwaukee magnetic tape measure down here, 25 foot. Got my 2 Comfort Grips, Cobra, Knipex. Got these. Steven got me. I don't know the technical name for these. It's like the wrench pliers. Jab saw. That takes care of the outside. I do have a few more Knipex. Got the lineman right here. And then also another pair of Cobras. These are the 7.5 inch non-comfort grip. I do have my Fujiya, which I have been daily using. These are the high leverage diagonal cutters, angled head. I got my torpedo level Greenlee. Over here we got the glow in the dark needle nose. Got my tick tracer, hot pen, whatever you want to call it. I got my safety knife. And then over here still we have the, it's really hard to do this one-handed. I got the tin snips right there. Cha-ching. I got the, I don't even know, what are these called, Steven? That was fine. Alright, so I just dropped all my tools on the ground. So right here we have the, like I was saying, the self-adjusting wire strippers. Basically just put it in here, pull it, and it strips it. It's pretty great, especially for dimming wires. I already mentioned the tin snips, and then also at the bottom of that pouch right here is the flush cutters for zip ties. So those stay in there, and I'll put that back later because that's not going to happen. On the other side over here, I have the GFCI tester, Milwaukee 1-inch pipe cutter, and my hammer. So I got the Milwaukee 1-inch pipe cutter, which is nice for tight spots and a pinch when you already have wire in there. My hammer right there, which is taking a literal beating. I have over here my pipe reamer, my 11-in-1, which does not have a Phillips or a flathead because I switched them out for 4 Allens. So I like to have that, which is nice. Got my magnetic 7-in-1. I got the 1/4 inch extension right here, and then the drill attachment 9D head. The little thing in there, Phillips. So let's put that back. Over here, lastly, we have just a normal big screwdriver, the 606 square shank. Sorry, this is like focusing on the chair. And then we have the beater screwdriver, basically the 606 round shank demolition driver. This is just not working. This is trash. Anyways, that about wraps it up. And lastly, which I always forget that I keep in here, which is the laser pointer. The laser pointer and the voltage tester, tick tracer right here. Why is this not focusing? There we go. And then lastly, I did forget about this guy, which is the little no dog level for your pipe, but works in great situations for tight spaces. Anyways, that's gonna do it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one.